In this video, I will be showing you how to use Feedly tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type feedly.com, and this is what it looks like. Now, Feedly is an AI-powered content creation tool. You can use Feedly to find information you're probably interested in but wouldn't find your own, in addition to following your favorite sources and topics. So it's a big help, especially if you are a person who's looking for a specific information about something. This gets started for free to create an account here on Feedly. So this is what it looks like. Let's pick the right product for you. So you can choose from any of the options right here. So newsreader, market intelligence, and threat intelligence. So let me pick the very first one here, just for this tutorial. And then you can now create an account. You can sign up with your Google or type email address and password. But I'd rather choose this sign up with Google because I think it's the easiest way. All you have to do is to connect your Google account. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so after you have connected your Google account here in Feedly, then it will take you directly to the homepage. So on the left panel, you can see today, read later, Feedly, AI, integration. We have here create a new board, change log, and so on. You can see the support if you want to get support. Okay, now let's talk about this today first here. So if you tap this today, you can see two options like me and explore. So let's focus on explore. If you tap this explore right here, then probably the trending news on specific topic or niche. For example, trending in technology. So you can see here the topics and news about technologies, trending in marketing. So you can see here the topics and news about marketing, trending in design. So all of the latest news and issues about design. Scroll down here, then you will see trending news in business. So you can see it right here. And if you scroll down, then trending in foods, you can see your news about food. So the latest and they talk about topics and news these days. And also with the news below, especially with the well-known and popular character or people or famous people in the world. And also if you scroll down here, you can see fashion and so on. So actually, the most significant stories from across your feed are displayed on Feedly's Today View, which is similar to a newspaper's main page. They compile the top 10 and read stories from each of your feeds into a single page that is organized by feed. With Feedly, you will also look for new resources according to subject or abilities. You are not restricted to the sources you are already familiar with. The best sources on almost any topic can be found on the export page. Okay. Now, after you know what are the news and things that you can see here in Explore, now the good thing about this Feedly is that it will allow you to read a news or this page later. So all you have to do is to simply copy the URL of this page in case that you want to read this one later because you're so busy at the moment. So you go to read later, tap this article, paste the URL right here, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, after that, you can save this to board. Okay, so this one is a good idea, especially if you were kind of busy and you think that this article is very interesting and you want to read this one later, but you don't have time yet. So you just have to copy the URL and save this to read later. You can also edit your board here. You can change the name, you can add image, and then see. Okay, so you can see other options also here. You just have to click this if you want to change your layout, if you want to change this to title only view, if you want to change this to magazine view, cards view, everything is up to you. Okay. And you can also click this add to favorite. So if you want to add this to your favorite, so it would be easier for you to look for this article. Now for this Feedly AI here. So Feedly AI, an AI-powered engine called Feedly AI collects and evaluates data in real time from millions of sources to assist users in tracking particular subjects, keeping an eye on rivals, and identifying new trends. So let's proceed with integration and APIs. So when it comes to Feedly's API, this one is a simple thing to do. So the REST API from Feedly is simple to integrate and lets you automate processes so that operations and leadership teams can receive intelligence more rapidly. You must obtain your API access token from your Feedly account's self-service page in order to use the Feedly API. Okay, and then if you go to these integrations right here, then you can use Reddit. You can connect your account to Reddit. You can connect your account to other social media accounts if you want to. But more on that, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to enjoy other features here in Feedly. Okay, so for read later, all the articles that you have saved for read later, you can see it right here. You can change the layout, you can add more URL, you can add more articles. Everything is up to you. Okay, so for create new board, you can create your board here by adding some title or name for that. Description, you can add description about favorite news or my feed, something like that, and then click create. But if you want to create more folder or you want to use other features here for improvement or for better use, I suggest that you upgrade your plan. Okay, so let's go to change log. So a change log is a file that contains a list of the modifications you've made to your project, arranged chronologically, and is frequently arranged according to the version with a date and list of newly added, enhanced, and deleted features. In changelog today, you will see documentation, contact support, a visit homepage, and so on. Okay. And then if you tap your profile at the bottom left corner, then you can manage your account. You just have to go to settings if you want to update something, privacy, and so on. Now it's about time to compare the features and the advantages of upgrading your plan. So let's go to the price list or the pricing. So for Pro, you just have to purchase with this given amount and you will have the opportunity to use the following features right here. Okay, so once you have decided, then click upgrade now. Also for Pro Plus, you can see the features is of course upgrading and there are features that you can use here that you can use in Pro plan. For Enterprise, which is the best and the most highly suggested plan, all you have to do is to simply click this request free trial. And if you like to do so, then you can proceed. And all you have to do is to purchase that and proceed to payment. Now, if you want to follow a specific website, okay, all you have to do is to search that, or you can just simply look for that specific word. And then there will be tons of websites that you can see. And all you have to do is to click follow. You can follow all if you want and then create a folder for that. For example, you want to follow all the websites about travel. So you just have to create a folder and then you will see all of these websites about travel. But if you just want to follow one website, for example, you want to follow a specific website about food, okay, all you have to do is to click this. Do not click this follow all. Just have to click this one and then look for that specific website. Click follow. And then if you want to create a new folder, tap create new folder or new folder and then name it as food and create. So if you go to your homepage, then all you have to do is to click this folder. Then you will see all the articles about the specific niche, specific topic. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.